even the road to get to the parking lot was too much for my car. There's a dove town. Reckon there's some quail in there. Wow, there's a lot of quail in there. Trying to get up there, but I don't know how to get down there. There's too much prickly shite. This looks promising. Oh, yeah, there we go. Yeah, that ain't gonna happen. I think I might be at the wrong twin of the twin springs. Although there's no actual spring, so I might just be in the wrong in general. Oh, shit. Oh, I think I just broke my tailbone. The keepers of the pass. Quail. They can be deadly if you approach their passes without an offering. I got lucky this time. Well, this appears to be a spring, if not the spring. Nice and clear, but won't catch me drinking that. Looks like the remains of an old pipe that maybe was used to aid the flow of the spring. I don't know. Another one of these pipe things. It's closed at the end and got these slots along the length of it, and then it terminates in an open pipe. So I wonder if, yeah, they just kind of bury this in the general area of a seep and it facilitates flow. Or could be for something else entirely. I just scared a great horned owl, or what appeared to be a great horned owl, out of this little shrub oak by falling on this rock and screaming. Damn, wish I'd got that on film. Dear Lord, it's a lot of flies and hornets, including big ass tarantula hawks. Looks like they're getting sap from this tree or something. Just some willow. They just don't give a crap about my presence. Weird. Oh, there's the owl. Please come back, Mr. Owl. There he is. Oh, gosh. There's a view of him. Okay. That drip dough. Well, canyon wren, I think. Cheep, cheep. It do be in a canyon dough. Came to the apparently seasonal waterfall Guess it's in season because it is falling. There's just not much water in the fall. Nice pool at the top of the waterfall. And it looks like one of our tarantula hawk friends could not swim. Rip. These little water bug guys can. Oh shoot, he's still alive. Okay, you're really about to walk back into the water. It's weird seeing such a overpowered insect in such a weak state. Wonder what's going through his tiny brain. Either taking a rest or dead. Hope you get better, buddy. Coming up on another seasonal waterfall. This one's hardly dripping. A little bit. Out of the major part of the canyon here. This will be my turning around spot. I think I'm going to follow the ridge of the canyon though on the way back rather than climb back down through all the brush. Skibbity bop! Golden Valley out there. Wallabies in the distance as usual. Kingman's somewhere over there. Might be mostly obscured from view by the foothills of the Surbats. Mammillaria cactus. These guys are edible and they taste very good. There's plenty of these guys out there. Yep, tastes good. Pretty tart. Haven't had one of those since like 2019 or maybe 2018. Donkey! I know you're behind the yucca. That's right, you can't hide from me. Ooh, he mad. I just want to be your friend. Cows. Donkeys. What is this, some kind of farm?